second experiment is regarding the flow visualization by plotting the streamlines. As you know, there are three different flow lines: path line, streamline and streak line, out of which you can visualize the streamline with the help of this apparatus called as Halo-Sha apparatus. Now firstly, we are going to see the construction of this apparatus. Now this is made up of acrylic. This is the acrylic. This is made from the acrylic tube, acrylic material. Now this tube is shaped. This tube shape is like this. Above this tube there are two tanks. You can see the tanks. In one tank there is water. In another tank there is a potassium permanganate solution. Now why to use only potassium permanganate as a colored solution? In order to see the streamlines clearly, as the water is colorless, as well as the density of the potassium permanganate is same as that of the water. So due to the density is same as that of water, the potassium permanganate is used for visualization of streamlines. Now you can see this is a aerofoil body placed in between the two plates. There are two plates very close to each other. The difference between these two is almost 3 to 4 mm only, and this is a body placed in it. So firstly you have to prepare the solution of potassium permanganate, add the solution in this tank, add water in this tank, then the outlet of this is connected through this small diameter pipe, or you can say it as a saline pipe, and you can operate this knob. In order to control the flow. So you have to adjust the flow such that there is a formation of streamline. Means the streamlines are flowing, or you can see the streamlines of water, potassium permanganate solution, with the help of potassium permanganate solution. Now we have drawn the streamlines in the journal. Now you can see these are the streamlines drawn for the circular body and aerofoil body. Now the aerofoil body, in case of aerofoil body, you are getting the streamlines like this, and you can see the streamlines for circular body also. So circular body is placed between the two plates, and you have to draw the figure for Halo-Sha apparatus, then write the theory in the journal or on the pages, journal pages. So for writing the journal you can use journal pages also. So like this you have to complete the second experiment.